In this video, I'll show you how to use graduated filters on Lightroom in under 2 minutes. So obviously the first thing you want to do is open up Lightroom and go to your desired photo that you want to edit. And the next thing is go over to the right hand side where you'll see the tool palette in Lightroom. So you want to click on the fourth tool along, which is the gradiated filter. So I'm going to click this, and then I'm going to go over to my image and I'm going to click on the top 2/3, and then I'm going to scroll up from there. So if I scroll up, this means it's going to adjust the bottom half of the filter. So now I can reposition this to my desired location. So while this is still highlighted, I can now adjust the settings for this filter. So I'll go to exposure, just drop it down a little bit, change the contrast, do a bit of highlights, lift the shadows, do some clarity, exposure, lift up the saturation, do some shadows, and that's pretty much it. So I'm done for the bottom half of the photo, and now I want to add another filter to the top because as you can see the sky is quite blown out with the overcast day. So again, I'm going to scroll bottom and that's going to adjust the top. So now I can just lift it up, and I just want to change the brightness of the horizon. So I'll just drop the exposure a little bit. I'll drop the highlights so it's not as blown out. I'll up the clarity, up the saturation, a bit more contrast, and that's pretty much it. So now if I click Y, I'll see the before and after, and as you can see that sky's a lot better and the actual rice fields are popping a lot more now. So hopefully this video has helped you to better understand graduated filters.